Hey there, quick review on this King Cooker kit. If you're looking for an all-around solution for everything you need for a deep fry or a boil, this is gonna be a fantastic kit. It's pretty amazing. They fit all of this stuff, all of these different pots and the burner assembly all into this one box. Let me show you what you get and how it works. Okay, so first we have our burner assembly over here. It comes with the hose and regulator. I'll talk more about that in a second. But then we have our 29 quart pan and our 10 quart pan. So if you want to deep fry a turkey, this will do up to a 20-pound turkey. This over here going to be great for fish fries and things like that. Get a couple different accessories to go with it. This strainer basket is going to be perfect for a fish fry. Works with the smaller pan. If you're going to be deep frying a turkey, you're going to need this guy here. You simply put the turkey or chicken over the top, and then it gives you a hook here to where you can grab that with this handle whenever you're all done and pull it out safely. Also have a large basket that goes again with the larger pan. That drops right in there. And then you do have a lid that will also work for both pans. This frying pan comes with a handle that you can assemble on there. And then you also get the oil thermometer, which is really important to keep track of what your oil temperature is so that you don't have any potential fire hazards. Now, speaking of fire hazards, if you leave an oil fryer unattended, that could be a problem. So this kit does come equipped with a timer that after 15 minutes, it will shut off the gas to the burner. That way, if it is left unattended, it'll automatically shut off. It's just a safety feature, but you can keep resetting that as you're there attending to it. But they have safety in mind with this kit, so that is something to know about. The burner assembly is a nice stable platform, works really well, has a heat shield on the underside here. And then you do need this right here to adjust your air mixture so that you can get a nice blue flame. But that works really well also. It's pretty standard on these to be able to rotate that and adjust the airflow in. Overall, this is an excellent all-in-one kit. It's literally got everything you need to get you going with deep frying. 29 quart pan, 10 quart pan, your different frying accessories. Accessory here for chickens or turkey. Again, this will fry up to a 20-pound turkey in here. Thermometer, everything you need is ready to go. So good all-around kit, great product, ships in a compact box. It's well fit together. I'd recommend this.